Top anti-aging skincare routines for women over 45. Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed fine lines, dark spots, or dullness that wasn't there before? Maybe your skin feels drier or less firm than it used to. If you're nodding your head, don't worry. You're not alone. After 45, our skin naturally starts to change due to hormonal shifts, slower cell turnover, and environmental factors like sun exposure. But here's the good news. With the right skincare routine, you can slow down these signs of aging and even reverse some of the damage. In this video, I'll walk you through the top anti-aging skincare routines for women over 45. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple, step-by-step plan to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Let's get started. Introduction. Let me ask you something. How much time do you spend taking care of your skin every day? If you're like most women, you might think a quick wash and moisturizer are enough. But as we age, our skin needs a little extra love and attention. The good news is, you don't need expensive treatments or complicated routines to see results. All you need is consistency and the right products. In this video, I'll share 5 essential steps that every woman over 45 should include in her skincare routine. These steps are backed by science and dermatologists, and they're designed to hydrate, protect, and rejuvenate your skin. Let's dive in. Step 1. Gentle cleansing. Why it matters. As we age, our skin becomes more sensitive and prone to dryness. Harsh cleansers can strip away natural oils, leaving your skin feeling tight and irritated. What to use? Look for a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser that removes dirt and makeup without over-drying your skin. Cream-based cleansers or micellar water are great options. How to do it? Wash your face twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Use lukewarm water, not hot, to avoid irritating your skin. Gently massage the cleanser into your skin using circular motions, then rinse thoroughly. Pro tip. Avoid scrubbing your face too hard. Aging skin is delicate, so treat it with care. Step 2. Exfoliation, but not too much. Why it matters. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells that can make your complexion look dull. However, over-exfoliating can damage your skin barrier, especially as you age. What to use? Opt for a chemical exfoliant with ingredients like glycolic acid, lactic acid, or salicylic acid. These gently dissolve dead skin cells without causing irritation. How to do it? Use an exfoliant 1 to 2 times a week, depending on your skin's sensitivity. Apply it after cleansing, leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse off. Pro tip. Always follow up with a moisturizer to lock in hydration after exfoliating. Step 3. Hydration is key. Why it matters. Mature skin tends to lose moisture faster, leading to dryness and fine lines. A good moisturizer replenishes hydration and strengthens your skin barrier. What to use? Look for a rich, creamy moisturizer with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or shea butter. These ingredients deeply hydrate and plump up your skin. How to do it? Apply your moisturizer morning and night after cleansing and exfoliating. Gently pat it into your skin instead of rubbing to avoid tugging. Pro tip. For an extra boost, mix a few drops of facial oil, like rosehip or argan oil, into your moisturizer. Step 4. Sun protection every day. Why it matters. Sun damage is one of the biggest causes of premature aging. UV rays break down collagen and elastin, leading to wrinkles, dark spots, and sagging skin. What to use? Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Look for formulas labeled non-comedogenic so they won't clog your pores. How to do it? Apply sunscreen every single day, even if it's cloudy or you're staying indoors. Don't forget areas like your neck, chest, and hands. They show signs of aging too. Pro tip. Reapply sunscreen every 2-3 hours if you're spending time outside. Step 5. Targeted treatments for anti-aging. Why it matters. While a basic routine is essential, targeted treatments can address specific concerns like fine lines, dark spots, or uneven texture. What to use. Look for serums or creams with active ingredients like retinol, vitamin C, or peptides. Retinol boosts collagen production, vitamin C brightens skin, and peptides support firmness. How to do it. Apply serums after cleansing and before moisturizing. Start with a small amount to avoid irritation, especially if you're new to active ingredients. Pro tip. Introduce one new product at a time to see how your skin reacts. And always patch test first. Bonus tips for healthy skin. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from within. Eat nutrient-rich foods. Include foods high in antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamins, like berries, avocados, and leafy greens. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin to repair itself. Manage stress. Chronic stress can accelerate aging, so practice relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation. Conclusion. There you have it, the top anti-aging skincare routines for women over 45. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to these steps, and over time, you'll notice your skin becoming smoother, brighter, and more youthful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more skincare and beauty tips tailored for women over 45. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your skin. It's the only one you've got.